Let us see the third aspect, fluid mechanics and ocean dynamics. Ocean waters are subjected to internal and external forces. The fluid mechanics and hydrodynamics are the two major concepts underlying many processes and life support systems in marine environments. Fluid mechanics, Newtonian mechanics, conservation of mass, conservation of momentum, angular momentum and conservation of energy all are involved in the ocean water dynamics. The forces which are essential to understand the physical oceanographic processes are the gravity, friction and the Coriolis force. Forces are vector quantities. They have both magnitude and direction. Gravity is the dominant force. The weight of water in the ocean generates pressure. Due to solar lunar influences, tides, tidal currents and tidal mixing all happen in the oceanic waters regularly. Buoyancy is another parameter to be borne in mind. It is the upward or downward force arising due to gravity. It acts on the parcel of water. Density plays a catalytic role for enacting the buoyancy also. Horizontal pressure gradients are also created due to the varying weight of water in different parts of the oceans. Friction of wind blowing over the waves, force of water movement or air movement over water may create the frictional forces also. Wind stress is also created due to this motion. Ocean water circulation also includes origin and movements of waves and currents. The following are the types of circulation seen in the oceans. The general water circulation, this is a permanent time averaged circulation. The second one is the deep water circulation. This is driven by mixing in the deep ocean. The third one is the wind driven circulation. It is caused by local winds on the surface of the oceans. The fourth one are the gyres. These are wind driven cyclonic or anticyclonic currents of giant magnitude. The fifth one belong to the boundary currents. These are currents flowing parallel to the coast. The sixth one relates to the jet streams or the squids. These are long narrow currents with dimensions of few hundred kilometers perpendicular to the west coast. The seventh one relates to the mesoscale eddies. These are turbulent or spinning floats running for a few kilometers in the ocean waters. The other essential part of study in physical oceanography is the conservation of mass and salt. These help in deriving the continuity equation and also for understanding the dynamics of mass and forces in waters.